Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find 4 mechanical cores locations after Valentine update. After Valentine update in phase 8, many players got confused during the Scavenger hunt quest because one of the islands that has the mechanical core that has one mechanical core is disappeared. But don't worry, here's new spot. Go to the just go to the planetary observatory and then just accept the quest as usual, and then from here, from this island, just move left toward Hartfeld Island. And then before searching, make sure you set your graphic to maximum so the car is easier to see from far away. Now just look carefully into the ocean. You should notice a small blue glowing like this. You should notice a small blue glowing dot in the distance like this. Just head straight toward it. This one. Like this. In this after Valentine update, one of the mechanical core that before stay on the empty island now floating above this ocean like this, no longer on a small island, and its exact position is roughly between the Heartfelt Island and then esoteric depth like this over here. Just find this area, just go to the area, and then next, so just take the core like this. And then for the other 3 mechanical cores, the locations are still the same. First on the laboratory island, on here, just take it, and then next is on the behind Fisherman Island, over there, just take it, and then the last on the in front of Kohana Island, over there, just take it like this. And then after collecting all 4, just simply return to the observatory island like this, and then just place the core. And your quest will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. Hope this helps you finish this scavenger hunt faster after the Valentine update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!